Hello, everyone. Today, we will be going on a trip to hidden restaurants and must-visit places in Savannah, Georgia. Savannah is a city full of history and culture, full of delicious food and charming streets. Come visit two famous restaurants and take a walk around the beautiful streets of Savannah. Oglethorpe Street is located in the heart of Savannah and is a street that captures the city's historic charm. Oglethorpe Street is home to well-preserved 19th century architecture that adds to Savannah's traditional appeal. Historic buildings of Savannah, or original Southern-style architecture. The street is lined with charming benches and lush trees, making it a great place for a stroll. We're going to take a closer look at Georgia's charming Oglethorpe Avenue. This street is a special place where Savannah's history and modern charm meet, and it's full of attractions and unique sights. Let's take a closer look at this street together. Oglethorpe Street is located in the historic heart of Savannah and is named after James Oglethorpe, the founder of the Georgia colony. Oglethorpe was one of the founders of Savannah, and the city developed according to his vision and plan. Oglethorpe Street reflects its historical significance and preserves the historic atmosphere of Savannah. The first restaurant we will visit is the Husk Restaurant, and the second is Collins Quarter. Take a look at the food and atmosphere of each in detail. Have a great time with delicious food. The first place I'd like to introduce is Husk Restaurant. Husk is a restaurant famous for its modern take on traditional Southern food. Here, you can enjoy creative dishes using local fresh ingredients. In particular, the burgers here are really impressive, and they are characterized by high-quality ingredients and elaborate cooking methods. Husk's Kitchen is a space where it has state-of-the-art facility and traditional cooking techniques are combined. It shows a spacious and neatly organized kitchen or a modern yet functional cooking space. Whether it's a comfortable yet sophisticated atmosphere or elegant background music during your meal, you can enjoy your meal leisurely. Husk maintains a comfortable yet classy atmosphere while you dine, making the delicious food even more special. Husk boasts a modern yet classic Southern-style interior. Featuring original brick walls and large windows, or sheepwood furniture and cozy lighting, the restaurant describes the space as a modern take on traditional Southern sentiment, with a classic yet comfortable atmosphere. Interior details: the walls of the restaurant are decorated with artwork by local artists, and the overall interior is warm and welcoming. Classic lighting fixtures and elaborate woodwork combine to create a cozy yet luxurious dining environment for guests. Peach pancakes are pancakes made with fresh peaches, rich and sweet and tangy peach pieces. It perfectly complements the softness of the pancakes. Powdered sugar and fresh blueberries sprinkled on top of French toast add visual pleasure to the meal, and the sweet and refreshing taste blend together to create a rich taste. Husk Restaurant is known for its innovative interpretation of Southern American cuisine. Founded in 2010 by Chef Josh Fermi and partners, the restaurant reimagines traditional Southern cuisine with a modern twist, emphasizing local produce and seasonal ingredients. They use local produce and ingredients to prepare their dishes, giving you a true taste of Southern cuisine. Their menu is known for its creative dishes centered around regional specialties, such as dishes made with South Carolina's heritage rice variety. The restaurant offers a relaxed yet sophisticated atmosphere, with a decor that blends Southern tradition with modern elements. Husk is beloved for being more than just a place to dine, it's a special place to experience local culture. Husk's hamburger is made with thick patties and fresh ingredients, and the homemade pickles and special sauce are particularly outstanding. The patty is juicy, and the crispy bun and fresh vegetables go well together to boast a rich flavor. Next up is the popular restaurant Collins Quarter. Collins Quarter is a beloved spot for its unique menu that combines modern Southern cuisine with global influences. Experience a special meal at this restaurant known for its sophisticated atmosphere and excellent food. Collins Quarter is a restaurant that combines modern Southern cuisine with global influences to create a unique dining experience. If you are visiting Savannah, come here for a delicious and creative meal. Thank you for joining me today to learn about Collins Quarter. Wright Square is a beautiful historic square in the heart of Savannah, a place where the city's history and culture live and breathe. It is a spacious and peaceful space, with a monument in the center and trees and benches surrounding it. Wright Square is one of Savannah's 24 historic squares, and has played an important role since Savannah was founded in 1733. The square is known as a place where trading with Indians took place during the Georgia colonial era, and the monuments erected here honor important people and events from that time. Let's walk together on East Broughton Street. This is a charming street lined with various shops and restaurants, where you can feel the culture and modern atmosphere of Savannah at the same time. So, shall we walk together? East Broughton Street is a shopping and dining hub in the heart of Savannah, a vibrant street lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. It's a mix of historic buildings and modern shops, giving the area a unique charm. The atmosphere is relaxed yet lively, and you can see people leisurely shopping and dining. The atmosphere here reflects the charm of Savannah and is a great place to spend time comfortably. Let me introduce you to River Street Sweets, a famous dessert shop in Georgia. This is the perfect place for those looking for sweet treats and unique desserts, and it is a must-visit attraction when visiting Savannah. So, let's explore this sweet world together. Known for its handmade caramels, chocolates, and pralines. The shop is located on Savannah's historic River Street and is a popular tourist attraction. Located on Savannah's historic River Street, and welcomes visitors with its charming storefront and warm atmosphere. Opened in the 1970s, it has become Savannah's signature candy store. Byrd's Cookies has a cozy and warm space filled with sweet scents, and provides a comfortable shopping environment. It is a space where visitors can enjoy shopping in a pleasant mood. The best place to experience the sweet charm of Savannah. Enjoy a sweet time while enjoying a variety of desserts as well. Many shops and restaurants and the stunning view of the Savannah River, making it a great place to enjoy shopping and sightseeing. It gets crowded on the weekends, so we recommend visiting on a weekday. Get a feel for the area with scenes of historic buildings and stunning river views on River Street. Introduce yourself to the beautiful scenery and unique architecture along the Savannah River. Food and shopping, explore popular local restaurants and shops, as well as delicious desserts and unique souvenirs. Check out popular shops like River Street. Lively atmosphere, capture the vibrant streetscapes of the area, with a variety of street performances and festivals. Get a feel for Savannah. This is the main location of River Street Candy Store on River Street. You can see the making of their famous pecan pralines in person here. River Street Candy Store has a long history and tradition. It has been in operation on Savannah's River Street since the 1970s and is known for its traditional recipes and handmade candies. This store, which captures the charm of Old Savannah, has long been a favorite among locals and tourists. Traditional dessert making, take a tour of the candy store's traditional dessert making process. All of the homemade caramels, chocolates, and pralines are made the traditional way, using recipes passed down from generation to generation. It is popular with locals and tourists alike, especially for its unique flavor and quality. Check out the reviews and reactions from visitors to see what makes it so popular. This is Savannah Bee Company from Savannah, Georgia. Savannah Bee Company is a honey company founded in 2002, known for their local natural honey and bee products. Wide range of honey products and bee products. Check out their signature honey and honey-based products, as well as unique gift sets. Experience the joy of shopping and tasting in-store. Explore River Street and take a closer look at the hidden beauty and history of this area as you make your way down to the river. Now, let's take a look at the charm of the Savannah riverfront. We've captured beautiful views of the Savannah River as we walk down River Street. Notice how the buildings reflect on the water and the stunning views along the river. We've shown you historic buildings along the riverfront and the old harbor. Learn how this area once flourished as a commercial center and how its traces remain today. We've introduced you to a variety of activities and attractions to enjoy along the Savannah riverfront. River Street is a charming destination for strolling and discovering a variety of unique shops and items. This video introduces the delightful shops of River Street and the special treasures they offer. The journey begins with a visual exploration of River Street's beautiful scenery. Enjoy the riverside views and the appealing exteriors of the shops. Explore a range of small but captivating shops along the street. Discover unique souvenirs, handcrafted items, and local specialties. Each shop features distinctive products that reflect its own character. Learn about the products and their connections to the area's culture and history. Observe locally made goods and exclusive souvenirs that capture the spirit of River Street. Interviews with shop owners and salespeople offer insights into their products and the stories behind their shops. Their personal narratives and enthusiasm for their crafts add depth to the experience. The video also captures the lively atmosphere of River Street, showcasing how tourists and locals come together in this vibrant setting. Experience the charm and energy of the street as it buzzes with activity. Capture the vibrant atmosphere of River Street at a glance. Experience the charm of the various shops and streets. Discover unique creations by local artisans. Try local flavors at delicious street food. Discover creative works by local artists. Leopold's Ice Cream Shop is a historic ice cream shop in Savannah that was founded in 1919. Serving classic 1920s ice cream, it is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Discover the homemade ice cream and classic desserts here. Special milkshakes and a variety of ice cream flavors await you. The interior of Leopold's Ice Cream Shop is decorated in a retro 1940s style. The old bar and classic design add to the charm of the shop. Recommended menu items: Leopold's special ice cream and classic chocolate milkshake. Don't miss it. Experience the traditional flavors with their popular menu items. Address: 212 East Broughton Street, Savannah, Georgia. Hours: 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Phone: 912-234-4442. How was your food tour and street tour in Savannah today? We were able to fully experience the charm of the city while enjoying the beautiful streets and delicious food of Savannah. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more travel and exploration content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.